rider spots a driver using his phone while driving, an incredibly dangerous distraction that puts everyone at risk. Concerned for safety, the rider decides to confront him.
What? What? You wanna get out? You trying to get out? Come on then. Get out. Get out. Get out. You don't wanna get out anymore. You wanna call the police now because he was using the phone. Go on, call the police because he was using the phone. It's on camera. Yeah. It's on camera. Yeah. Go on. Idiot, mate. Idiot. Idiot.
A tense moment unfolds when a rider loses patience with another motorcyclist who had been recklessly cutting him off multiple times. The situation escalates as frustrations boil over.
Cunt! Hey! What's your problem? What's your problem? What's your f***ing problem? No problem. You want that cunt for? You cut me up and you cut him up. You're just a big porky cunt.
I was just going past.
You bollocks! I've got you on camera like you got on camera. You are a f***ing wanker.
I'm sorry if I upset you.
Yeah, you
I'm sorry.
drive normal.
An intense road rage incident occurs between a car driver and a rider after the driver failed to yield. The rider, feeling disrespected and endangered, refuses to let it slide.
¿Usted está bien de la cabeza? ¿Está bien de la cabeza usted? ¿Usted está bien de la cabeza?
Viene llena.
¿Y qué tiene que ver? ¿Y qué tiene que ver? ¿Cómo te vas a mandar en contramano? ¿Cómo te vas a mandar en contramano, estúpida?
Anda acá. Andate a la ruta, pelotudo.
Llama a la policía. Llama a la policía, dale. Llama a la policía, dale. Estúpido. Se mandó en contramano, casi me pisa de frente y la excusa de ella es que iba cargada la camioneta.
A taxi driver's reckless maneuvers put a motorcyclist in danger. Unable to ignore the risk, the rider pulls up to confront the driver, demanding an explanation.
You're on camera, you idiot. What are you doing? You do not come up on the inside of a motorbike, mate. What the f is wrong with you? I've got you on camera, you twat. You're going to be famous now. You come up on the inside, you don't do that. It's one lane, not two. You don't have to swear. One lane, not two, you idiot. Idiot. You f***ing stupid cunt.
A bizarre situation unfolds when a man deliberately pours water from a pipe onto a passing rider. Was this an accident, or was it done intentionally? The rider stops to find out.
Junge! Was hat denn?
will Ärger.
Will richtig Ärger. Komm, lass hinfahren, Junge.
Der ist behindert, der Magger.
Der kriegt ja richtig Ärger.
Sonst alles gut, oder? Ich habe da vorne abgebremst, oder nicht? Hast du das gesehen? Ob du das gesehen hast, du hörst mir jetzt mal zu, du spritzt mit deiner Scheiße hier nicht die Leute an. Hätte ich mir auf den Sattel gepackt und wäre dann gestorben. Was wäre dann? Ja, du hättest mit deiner Kack-Spießerbremse hier rumgesprüht. Sag mal, bist du nicht ganz dicht, oder was? Komm, geh mal wieder schön in dein Leben rein und ist alles gut. Ne?
Hier ist ganz normale Straße.
Ich hab doch abgebremst, oder nicht? Hab ich abgebremst, oder nicht? Mensch, Motorradfahrer fahren immer zu schnell. Hast du ein Tacho im Kopf, oder was?
Ja, komm, ich merke mir deine Nummernschild.
Ja, mach das, komm.
Das kannst du ja auch merken.
Merk dir das, komm, schreib auf, schreib auf.
Und ich merke mir dein Gesicht. Ich merke mir dein Gesicht.
Die Nummer merken, wenn du das
Ja, mach das doch. Komm. Junge, 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 Junge.
A rider confronts an elderly driver who cut him off earlier, nearly causing an accident. The tension rises as they exchange words over the dangerous maneuver.
Do you want to get back in your car?
No.
Do you want to get back in?
No, I don't.
Why the f are you jumping out your car? I'm going like I'm supposed to.
You're going all over the road. Can you tell me why you're doing it?
Because I'm warming up my tyres. It doesn't matter what I'm doing.
It does, because you're not driving like you're supposed to be.
I can do what I want. I'm in my lane. I can do what I want.
You can't.
Yes, I f***ing can.
You can't.
Yes, why am I supposed to stick to the side of the road?
Yes, you are.
Exactly, you're f***ing stupid. What? Oh, do something. Do something. I swear to touch me. Touch me. I swear to f***ing God. Touch.
Hey!
Oh, you're gonna f***ing regret this. Let go. Let fucking go. Let fucking go. Let fucking go. Don't fucking touch me. Touch me one more fucking time, you're gonna regret it. I'm gonna smash your fucking window.
You're doing an honest job.
Get the fucking car. Fuck off. Fucking idiot. Touch me.
You're not supposed to swerve all over the road.
Fuck off.
No, you fuck off.
Get off. Don't.
Pack it up.
A car driver gets aggressive after being overtaken by a rider. The situation quickly turns hostile as the driver reacts with anger instead of simply sharing the road.
Did you not see that guy on the crossing?
I'm not going to wait for
So,
that
you're going to run him over?
Shut
You're
your
going to run him over
fucking
just
face.
because he walked
Shut
through a
your
red
face,
light?
knobhead.
Okay, okay.
You fucking
You're the
prick.
stupid one.
Mate, I'll fucking knock you out. in a
Okay, mate. You're on camera.
minute. Smash you all over, you fucking
Okay.
wind me up. Motorbikes, they jump the fucking
What?
queue and we have to fucking move over for you.
You didn't have to move over from there. Did you move over? No, you didn't, you tosser. You didn't move over, did you?
I'll fucking smash you all over.
Alright, mate. Alright.
While lane splitting, a rider faces backlash from a car driver who believes his vehicle was touched. The misunderstanding escalates into a heated argument.
Come on. What's up? What do you mean what? I didn't touch you. I didn't touch you. I didn't touch you. Stop being an idiot, mate. Ah. I know you want to close your... I didn't touch you. I didn't touch the car. Sorry?
Why you so close to
Because you're allowed. You're allowed to commute in between cars. I did not touch your car.
very close?
You're very close isn't touching, mate.
A reckless lane change nearly results in disaster when a driver moves directly into the rider's path without checking his mirrors. The rider confronts him, demanding accountability.
Can indicate you retard. Want your window down. Hey, cool. I got your company on camera. You nearly hit me. Turn your window down. I got your company on camera. Congratulations. No, indicated, you idiot. You're required to indicate when changing lanes, you quit. Good health, naturally, New Zealand.
A lady driver comes dangerously close to hitting a motorcyclist. Frustrated and shaken, the rider stops her to address the near miss.
It's on camera. Pull over. You almost hit me. I got it on camera. Okay, pull over.
I can't pull over.
Why? I got your license plate. I got your license plate.
Another case of reckless driving as a car nearly sideswipes a motorcyclist. The rider, unwilling to ignore the dangerous behavior, calls out the driver.
Hey, roll down your window. Hey, roll down your window. Pull over. You're gonna... Just come up here. Look, man, I have a fiance at home and I want to make it home. Use your turn signals, please. You're shifting lanes, no turn signals. You almost wrecked into me.
A driver follows dangerously close behind a rider, creating a high-risk situation. The rider, fearing for his safety, decides to confront him.
¿Qué chingados es tu problema? Yo también soy carro. Me debe que tratar como carro. Ok, no, pero de todos modos, usted no se puede venir a mi lado. No importa, yo soy carro. Che pendejo. Ándale, güey. ¿Qué? Ándale, pendejo, te parto la madre. ¿No?
A confrontation unfolds as a woman stops riders, claiming they are on private property.
Who are you guys?
What? Oh, we're lost.
How'd you get here?
We came from...
That gate is locked, sir.
No.
And the gate down there is locked, sir. So you came across our property to get here.
Hold on, no, my bad. Okay, look.
I'm
Look, we were over there.
Hey, we're leaving. I didn't
Hang
know
on here.
that.
Talk to him.
Hello? Hey, how you doing? We're just out here riding. I'm sorry.
How did you get around this gate?
No, okay, let me explain. We were over there and we went like...
You were over there. How did you get past this gate?
Okay, look, let me tell you.
Yeah, we're not...
We were over there, we went that way, because there are some trails over there, and it comes out over here somewhere, so we didn't know. We're sorry.
Alright.
This is management property. You're not allowed to be here.
Okay.
Alright. Yes, sir. No problem. Alright, sorry, we'll head out right now.
Are you calling Doug or what?
You have to give way, you card.
A BMW driver tailgates a motorcyclist, creating a nerve-wracking situation. The rider's frustration turns into anger as he decides to address the reckless behavior.
You're sitting up my arse, you dumb cunt.
Dumb cunt?
Yeah,
Just 'cause you got your
you're
silly
sitting up
fucking
my arse.
cameras on.
I'm the one on the back,
Yeah, I know.
dickhead.
Yeah,
Just
fuck. Yeah, go on.
sorry about that.
A shocking moment when a driver casually throws garbage onto the road. The rider refuses to let it go, following the car and throwing the trash right back inside, delivering a lesson in responsibility.
Засранцы. Братуш, вы ничего не забыли?
Ты чё, блядь, охуел, ёпта?
A driver's failure to use turn signals nearly causes an accident. The rider, fed up with careless drivers, decides to call him out.
Do you know how to use a turning signal? Because the past 20 miles you haven't been using it.
What, changing lanes?
Yeah, I got you on video. I can go to the police and get you cited right there. So you might want to use it because that's how you kill people. Cool? Thank you.
A disturbing road rage incident as an elderly man jumps out of his car wielding an axe, furious at a rider for allegedly speeding.
What are you doing, dude?
Say it again, bitch. Put your finger out at me again. You're doing 60 miles an hour. You're gonna kill somebody, you dumb.
Sped up.
You are a dumb.
Sped up
Slow
because you
down.
pulled down in front of me.
Slow down.
You pulled out straight in front of me, bro.
You've gone too fast.
You pulled out straight in front of me.
Go slower.
I sped up to move around you. Stupid ass mother. Swear to God.
A group of motorcyclists perform risky wheelies on the road. One rider, clearly disapproving of the stunt, stops to confront them about their reckless behavior.
Do what, dude?
You got guys right there waiting on y'all.
That's okay. What are you about to hit us, dude? There ain't nobody want no problem. We're in the middle of the road, my guy.
I'm just trying to go home.
Then go. Well, you stopped. We didn't stop.
Yeah, stop because y'all are causing the problem.
Well, you're starting the problem, my guy.
What do you mean? You want me to call the
I don't care who you want to call. You're starting trying to pick a fight.
I'm starting trouble when you're riding a wheelie down the road. And that's my problem. That's my problem. You're a professional, so you just take the road. I'm a professional. Okay. Go home. Go the fuck home. We ain't bothering you.
Go home.
You were
You
fine.
stopped in the middle of the goddamn road. At least we were moving.
Me?
Go the
Okay. Okay, buddy. That's cool. Whenever you think you're bad,
Go home.
do something. Go home. I ain't gonna hit nobody. I'm not into that. I just want to go home. Go the fuck home.
Go home.
You just gonna be riding through the road
Go
like that?
home.
Look who's blocking traffic now.
Yeah, right, bud. Defend whatever you
Get in your car. I don't give a
Okay, good.
Go home.
I'm going home. Okay.
A heart-stopping moment as a car dangerously overtakes a rider at high speed. Feeling endangered, the rider chases the driver down for an explanation.
Nur zur Info.
Recht erklären muss, deine Kamera ist genau wertlos, weil du darfst die Aufnahme nicht verwenden.
Weiß ich. Nur mit der Ruhe. Ich wollte Ihnen nur sagen, wo Sie überholt haben, war ein Kindergarten. Nur zu Ihrer Information, dass Sie Bescheid
vielleicht
wissen.
nicht 4 und fährst dann langsam.
Erstens darf ich mich vorfahren, zweitens war 30, ja?
Ja und ich darf überholen und weiter.
Sie dürfen überholen mit einem Unterschied von 20 km/h und nicht neben einem Kindergarten. Lernen die StVO, bevor es dir irgendwie deppert daherrift, Volltrottel.
A shocking collision between a motorcyclist and a cyclist who suddenly cuts across traffic. The cyclist's explanation will leave you speechless. Who do you think is at fault?
What the f are you doing, dude? What a f***ing idiot, eh? These bikers, man, they don't know shit. Are you okay, dude? Dude, you can't come out like that. You're right there in the left lane.
me on the right.
Yeah, because you came
can't pass me on the right going straight. You cannot pass me on the right going straight.
Dude.
You got a camera.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you can't pass me on the right going straight, man.
You
gotta go right. You gotta wait for me. You gotta wait for me. You gotta wait for me, man.
Dude,
you can't pass me.
You came in front of me.
Dude.
I'm going faster than you.
Dude.
You came in front of me.
I was in this lane.
You cannot come here when I'm coming up behind you. You have to stay here. This is where cyclists stay. You were not here. You were here.
This is one lane.
You were
there
here.
There is no this side or that side.
This
is one lane. I'm a vehicle. You have to stay behind me.
Dude, you're gonna go on YouTube because of this shit. Because you want to argue about this shit.
Dude, I don't give a put me on YouTube.
Yeah, of course
What
you
I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go take a picture of your license plate.
Yeah, okay, you go ahead, do that.
I will.
Go ahead, right now. Go ahead. Go right ahead, come. This guy's arguing with me about it.
You're completely wrong, man.
How am I wrong?
On the right.
Dude, he completely
don't
off.
Go past someone on the right.
It's that simple. Stop.
Fuck, you're just an idiot driving. You don't pass someone on the right with a cyclist.
Dude, he came in front of me.
You're just an idiot.
He came in front of me.
You're an idiot. I saw the whole thing right behind you.
Okay, go right ahead.
That's it for today. Remember, always ride safe and stay responsible on the road. Don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling content. See you in the next one.